aggregates are already brought. There is also outside the maram there. Going to the brought inside. We brought one container, and the cement is brought for the foundations. It's here. That cement is going to be for the work too. You can see the side. There is aggregate. These are going to be used for the foundation and some trips. Some trips are also coming. This is it. Something very funny about this office. It's going to be suspended from the ground due to the flood prone area of Bor. So this is going to be a very wonderful office, and it's going to be the best of its kind for that structure to be involved with the nature of the ground being part from the real building. So you can see here, these gentlemen are working, and this is to tell the public that I say it and I do it. I promise and I brought it. This is the thing. We cannot say thing and we don't do it. This office, according to them, this is one of the engineers that are working on the site. It's from the company called ASGARD. These engineers, they promised me that in 6 months' time, the office will be available for Bor Municipal Council usage. That is to say, the month of May, at the end of the month, the keys will be surrendered to the office of mayor, and the office will be there for the public. So this is.
So my name is Engineer Garang Mike. So I'm the civil supervisor from the ASGARD construction company. So we expected this project to be handling in the May.
So it is a 6-month project.
It's a 6-month project.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
they will be defending, sometimes if there may be some changes like the weather expect, so that will be delaying. But whatever expectation is on 6 months contract for 6 months.
Okay.
And we are go for it.
Okay.
The office of Bor Municipal Council have started, and that office is part of my manifesto here. I promised the public that I will build the office within 12 months, the tower of Bor Municipality within 12 months, 1 year. Now the office has started with construction by the company called ASGARD. And the company told me that this office will be available for you in 6 months' time, not even 9 months again. That is the great news. So we mean in May, at the end of the month of May next year, the office will be available for use. And that is the permit that I got from the company. The office has started and construction is now going on. You can pass by the side later, see the people, you will see them busy. You will see all the material are available, are brought, and then the construction kick off. I'm just waiting now for my governor Dinajok to come and have a ground breaking for the construction of this office, but could not delay, could not wait for him to come. He will just come and initiate it officially, but the construction can continue even in his absence.
Do you have any amount of money that you have already estimated that could be able to complete the whole building?
Yeah. The company has given me the quotation, and that was the quotation here. This is the type of the office that they are going to build. Anyway, there were a lot of companies that apply, which I select only one company. This company was there, and they have made the availability of the proposal, which was a bit expensive. It was like 1 million, and that company was declined by the executive meeting. And this company called ASGARD with this building, the building that is going to be built now, is that building here. That company is the company that the Bor Municipal Council choose and selected with the quotation of $475,000. There was also a company. there was also a company. The said company was this company called this one here with this building, and the quotation was 404. This was the company that also applied. This company was with the less money, but company failed because the executive councils meet here last week to select which company should continue constructing the office based on the quotation they have submitted an application to our office. Then the executive council in the resolutions selects the ASGARD company, because the ASGARD company has the capacity to even construct the office with their own money and be paid later. And this encouraged the executive council to choose the ASGARD company. And that is after I wrote a request to my governor, the mayor, to go and approve the construction of this office. And this is the paper I wrote to him. My governor request for the approval of Bor Municipal Council office construction. Then immediately he went and approved it and said it's approved for action, and this is the stamp. Now I started the office with the permission from the governor. Governor knows that this money will be paid, and this is government money. Even if municipal council can generate this money without any other contribution, still it is the government money. There is need for the governor to be requested to use this money for the construction. So that is all about. The office is approved, and there was also letters from the physical infrastructure approving the site for construction. This is the letter. We were given a provisional approval for this plot. Plot number 290, measuring 73 meters by 58, approved by the Honorable Minister of Land and Housing, Ateny Meruk, and this is the plot we are using now constructing our office. That is the plot whereby our foundation stone was laid by the past mayor of Bor, Engineer Nial Mijagnal, and that is the site that we are constructing the office. There was also an approval that was given to the KCB for that site. And KCB failed to construct the office. They proposed for 1 year, and the approval was after failure of 1 year, the land will be withdrawn. So now the order was issued by the minister to withdraw the land from the KCB and given back to Bor Municipal Council. And this is the letter of withdrawal made by the Minister of Land and Housing, so that our office continue. After acquired this, we write a letter of offer to the ASGARD company after the resolution of the Executive Council of this institution. The ASGARD company received the offer and wrote to us also the letter of acceptance that are in the file there. Then we, after signed the contract draft by the legal, ready for the continuation of this construction of the office, and the office will be available next year for our team. And the promise of the mayor would have been successfully achieved.
Exactly how many offices will be within that building?
Well, there are about in total are 9, and the hall. The hall will be there, and that hall is 10.
How many stages?
It's only one.
Test?
It's only one floor.
One floor.
One floor.
Okay.
This is the quotation. So only that things will be available, and that is the capacity that I can do to my people.
According to your manifesto, you study with the road, town plannings, and your offices. So after this, maybe in 2023, do you have any more plannings in future?
If I achieve this thing, then I have formed a committee led by Associate Professor Makui Achol Thiong. I formed the policy design committee. And that policy design committee has worked for the strategic plan of Bor Municipal Council for 5 years. That is available now. It is going to be presented to the Council of Ministers, then to the Parliament. After it's approved, then we shall start with the new projects.